These are my 5 tips for anyone wanting to learn to sew. Number 1, you don't need a lot of stuff or spend a lot of money to be able to get started in sewing. Keep it simple. You need a machine, some scissors, some scrap fabric, some thread, and a needle. Number 2, I encourage you to take a class, specifically an in-person class if you can. This is going to allow you to work with someone one-on-one in person to be able to learn how to use your machine properly, how to take care of it, how to change a needle or wind a bobbin, but also how to use some of the features that are available on your specific machine. Number 3, practice, practice, and make mistakes. This is how we learn. I've been sewing for over 30 years and I still make mistakes. It is okay. Number 4, you may have gotten into sewing because you wanted to do something really awesome, like making a garment or sewing a quilt. But reality is, those are not going to be your first projects. Keep it really simple. There are a ton of great beginner-friendly projects online. There's also some really wonderful ones that I've done over on singer.com, so you can check those out. Number 5, there's more than one way of doing something when it comes to sewing. No one way is the right way. So just because I might teach it to you one way, someone else might teach it to you another way. At the end of the day, you're getting the same stitching result. It doesn't matter. Hi, I'm Craft with Bethany. Be sure you're following me for all your sewing inspiration and support.